Charming brick home and workshop with fenced backyard near the Beauregard Parish Country Club. This home features updated flooring. This 3-bedroom and 1.5-bath home boasts a large living room, a vintage kitchen with access to the carport and a fenced backyard. The owner's suite showcases access to the private covered back porch with views of the backyard, the perfect spot to enjoy your morning coffee while watching the birds. As an added bonus, this home has a shed for your garden tools and a storage building with space dedicated as a workshop and with a bonus larger area. This room features a vaulted ceiling and French doors that open to allow the breeze to flow through. Use this space as a gym, office, or as a private area for your guests. Check out the carport storage area, more storage at a great price. As an added bonus, the washer and dryer remain. With a short commute